don't want you to think that I'm only looking at Chinese stuff. I try to shop local first. I always try to shop local. But it's just, there's no comparison. There really is no comparison. They put so much emphasis. Oh, why are you paying so much? Why are you charging so much? It's for the brand. I don't care about brand. I don't care about fashion. I care about getting value for money. I don't want to pay somebody because they stamp their logo on it. Now, I was looking at a local-ish, I don't know if they're local or not, they sound local. It's called bushcrafttools.com. So there are two things looking at. First of all, the fire piston, and they've got three. They're basically the same, just different colours. And the cheapest, well, they're all the same price, basically, 24 quid. Now, I don't know how much it's going to cost for delivery or anything of that nature, but it's a very small, I mean, I imagine it would do the job, but it is a very small thing. It's not any bigger than the Chinese ones. It is, however, several times the price. For the same, pretty much the same thing. It would be, I think it was 4 quid, £3 or £4. The one I'm actually going to buy from AliExpress is going to work out at 10 quid because it's a kit. It's not just one thing. It's actually the fire piston, plus it comes in a tin, and it's got lots of rubber rings, and it's got other bits with it. Plus the tin, you can actually use that to make your own charcoal. This comes with a little bag with a logo. It does, however, have inside a strike, fire stick they call it. They call it a fire stick because they don't want to use brand names. It's the same as the ferro rod. The thing is, it is so short, it would be useless for me to use unless I had a pair of vice grips. It's 6 centimeters long, which maybe if you've got Chinese fingers, little fingers, that's fine. But when you've got man hands, that all I'm going to do is chop my fingers off. Try to hit something, because you're not hitting it slowly, you've got to hit it fast with something sharp. I would just be chopping my own fingers off. So they're not massively more expensive than the online shopping, the China stuff. But it looks inferior. It looks cheaper, and with the price difference, I mean, look at the ferrous rods they've got here. Well, fire sticks, they call them. Fire steels, they're naming them. For the one the same size as what I was looking at from AliExpress, you're talking about 30 quid. For the one from AliExpress, which would be about a fiver. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be shopping local. I was hoping to, but it's ridiculous prices. You're paying for the brand name. And that's not how to run a business. That's a tourism business, not, oh, look, you can have a little cup for 20 quid.